Joey, where are you? I have an apple for us to share.
It is I, Future Joey. I have come from the future to warn you that you are going to make a mistake in the present, which for me is the past.
Then I better be very careful when I'm doing this math puzzle.
Yes.
You want to help me?
Sure do.
Use 3 pattern blocks to make the shape. Draw lines to show your model. Circle the blocks you use. So here are pattern blocks. And remember, we want to make this shape. Now, one thing you should note is that we can use a pattern block more than once. Now, I'm going to start here because this looks like what shape, Joey?
A hexagon.
Correct, a hexagon. So let's go ahead and place a hexagon right about there and see how nice it fits.
Excellent.
Now, this here looks like a trapezoid, and that's probably what you're thinking. But if we place a trapezoid here, we've only used two pattern blocks.
That's true, and we need to use 3.
We need to use 3. So let's start here. This kind of looks like we can place a what here?
A triangle?
A triangle. So we need to rotate our triangle just a little bit.
Sure do.
And we're going to place it right there.
A perfect fit.
A perfect fit. Now, we need to use one more pattern block. So what shape can I use here? Well, let's see if the boys and girls can tell me what they're going to use here. It's a rhombus. If you said rhombus, then you are correct.
A rhombus.
And let's rotate it just a bit. And it fits right there.
Yeah.
So we just used 3 pattern blocks. And I'm going to circle the ones we used so I don't forget. We used a triangle, a rhombus, and a hexagon. Okay?
3 shapes.
Now I'm gonna just trace where the sides that meet with each other, and
That's 1 shape, 2
move
shapes,
that
3 shapes.
move those there so you can see
Yeah,
the
look, all 3
patterns
of them
we use.
right there.
Now, can you think of other shapes or other pattern blocks that we can use to make this shape?
I am from the future.
Why don't we start over?
Okay, yeah, that'll be
so let's
happy.
clear this page. All right, well, I know this looks like a trapezoid, so I'm going to start with my trapezoid.
Right.
So what other 2 pattern blocks can I use?
And you can use the shape more than once, right?
Yeah, exactly. Remember that.
So, what about another trapezoid?
Yes, another trapezoid is correct. We just rotate it a bit, and we can
Look at
place
that.
it there. And we need 1 more pattern block.
Well, okay, if you flip that over, is that another trapezoid?
That is another trapezoid. So we just used 3 pattern blocks.
How do you like them apples?
Now, because we used the trapezoid 3 times, I'm only going to circle it once.
Right.
And again, let's trace along the sides where our trapezoids meet so we can see where our trapezoids were. There you have it, 3 trapezoids.
Yeah, there they are. 1, 2, 3.
That's it.
Wow, that was great fun. But you know, I must be going back to the future.
Well, what about my mistake? I didn't make a mistake.
Who knows what the future holds?
Okay, future Joey. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with some more fun with math. Hey, wait a minute. I know what my mistake was. My mistake was to take my eyes off that apple. Joey.